Here, this is a very, silly question once you understand it. Before you understand it, it is something which you really have to give it time and understand. Here, what is the chill at between 20 degrees north and 40 degrees north?
20 degrees north.
20 degrees.
20-degree north.
This is your north pole. This is your south pole. This is your equator. So this is your 20 degrees north, 0 degrees north also. This is your 40 degrees north. You simply go from here to here and say, sir, I'm at 20 north, so I'll be traveling 20 more to reach 40 degrees north, and I'm traveling towards north side. So my chilat is 20 degrees. That is what you will say, tell to me, yes or no? But see, if I ask the same question, chilat between 20 degrees north and 40 degrees north, but travel via pole, via closest pole.
120
That
120 degree
means,
north.
okay, that means what happens? See, you are here maybe,
Yeah.
but if you reach 40 north, did you travel to the pole?
No.
No. You will keep on traveling north along the meridian. So this is the great circle.
Yes.
You will reach north, and on the back side of the earth, you will reach 40 degrees. That means if you are traveling like this, the best scenario would be assume 1 point here and 1 point here, and then travel to North Pole and then like this, or anything. Did you understand this? Going via meridian, because these are meridians, right? Meridian and anti-meridian. So
Yes, sir.
via North Pole, you cannot, you have to travel to the shortest path. Yes or no? So it should be a GC track. So now how much? 20 to North Pole would be how much?
70 degrees.
70.
degree.
Now 90 north. North Pole is 90 degrees north. इधर से इधर तक कितना हुआ?
50 degrees.
50.
50. So total how much?
120 degrees.
120.
120.
120. Okay. Now find this. 71 degrees, 86 degrees, 45 minutes. Draw the earth, mark the equator. Let's say on this meridian, this is 71 degrees 20 minutes. Okay. You're going to North Pole. On the other end, this is this 71 degrees. So you travel this much. कितना होगा? So this is how much? Degrees 20 minutes.
18 degrees.
18 degrees 40 minutes.
Plus 90 minus, this is total is 90, so 90 minus, so this total is 90, 90 minus 86 degrees 45. Here, add these. How much? What is the answer?
21 degrees.
21 degrees 55
21 degrees.
minutes.
Got it? So that is meant by over the north. And why you have to, continue going? Because you have to travel the shortest path. Always an aircraft travels the shortest path. That is the reason when you move, like actually you are moving on meridian and it's anti-meridian when you say over the north. Got it? Yesterday we have seen, right? If there are 2 points like this, like this, which is shortest?
Over the
Option
pole.
A or option B?
Option
Option A or option B? Option A is
Option
shortest.
A.
Why? Because this is the greatest possible. I mean, it's a great circle path.
ठीक है यार.